Alright, let me be honest. I can say this on. Alright, I'm a dealer type of person.
You're what?
I'm a dealer type of person. I like play with myself, so if my man gone to jail, I can satisfy my needs.
Oh.
Get ready with me for a first date.
I am Shay.
Gotta make sure my car is clean. So much trash. Making sure she can play her music.
Listen to me, man. You can't bumbo clad deal with me and treat me like the fucking worst. My mama tell her that. Come on there so we kiss the bumbo clad, go and me walk on. You hear that? And you me bumbo clad once if you act fucking right, dog. I'm 8 or you stay your fuck. Now if you call a 50 bumbo blood clot time, 50 bumbo blood clot time and you don't fucking answer. Answer a bumbo clot for man. You're fucking busy at about, oh wait, this is a car back. You know bumbo clot car back. Pussy. Remember see a lady I deal with, you know. I mean, I have to get dark in this, you know, bumbo wall. If you don't fucking want me, me fucking go. And that bumbo clot treat me the way you dog. Me hate you fuck.
Wish me luck.
Get to find out. Say I don't even know about the competition. So tomorrow morning, me really gonna get to the bottom of this. Because if one artist don't know about the competition, that now gonna make that now add up. I mean I want my money. I don't know international artists, big artists. You where so what? You know want pay with 100,000 and 50,000 what you know want? You better give me my money, you know. Just give me my money. I forget my blood clot money. Guys, I promote my video. And not only promote, my video bad. My video bad. My video bad. I'm not arts Christ. I tell them that. My video bad and my video clean. If I look on my page, I try to take it down. I think I when I said Wendy, the video, the quality drop a little bit, but my video still go on.